Hello, welcome back to the channel, Truly Restored TV. I know it's been quite some time, and that's just how life is. I want to talk to you today about what God will restore. Coming from Psalms 126, verse 1, it says, "When the Lord brought back the captives to Zion, we were like men who dreamed." And in reflecting on this text, I think about how we have dreams. Even the Israelites had dreams of going back home, and we have dreams. God will make those dreams happen. And when God does that, we are extremely happy, just like the captives were, the Israelites were when they were brought back to Zion. So if you have anything that you're dreaming about, whether it be a business, restoration of your family, restoration of your reputation, restoration of anything, God can and God will restore it. You know, one thing we have to keep in mind is that in order for restoration to take place, we have to be obedient to what God says and working on our own inner healing so that when the opportunities present themselves for relationships to be restored or for our reputation to be restored, we are ready. We are ready, we're available, we're healed, and we're not bitter, but better. And so that is part one of what God will restore. And hope to talk to you again soon. Take care. God bless.